Hi friends, today I am giving a lecture on how to perform the insert operation on a B plus tree of order m is equal to 4. Okay, now construct B plus tree for the following elements with order is equal to 4. 1, 4, 7, 10, 17, 21, 31, 25, 19, 20, 28, 42. Okay. So whenever B plus tree of order is equal to 4, each and every node must satisfy these properties. First one, maximum number of key elements per node is equal to m minus 1. Here m value 4. 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Minimum number of key elements per node is equal to ceiling of m by 2 minus 1. Here m value 4, 4 by 2, so that is 2, 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Next, third one, maximum number of pointers or children per node is equal to m. Here that is m value 4. Minimum number of key elements per node is equal to m by 2 ceiling. So here m value 4, 4 is equal to 2. So these properties keep in mind while performing the insert operation on B plus tree. Okay. So first element, so insert 1. So before inserting 1, initially the B plus tree is empty. Whatever the first key element inserted into the B plus tree, that node is the root node and that node is the first node. Okay. So initially B plus tree is empty, so that we have to create a node and inserting the key element value 1 into the B plus tree. Now the B plus tree contains a single node that contains the key element 1. Okay, next one, insert 4. Okay, so before inserting 4, the B plus tree contains a node that contains the key element 1. Okay, next we are inserting 4. So 4 is compared with the key element at the node 1. So 4 is greater than 1. So now 4 can be inserted into the same node or not. So in the B plus tree of order 4, maximum number of key elements per node is equal to 3. So that this node contains only one key element, so that we have to insert 4 into the same node. So 4 is compared with 1. 4 is greater than 1, so that 4 can be inserted to the right of 1. So now this node contains two key elements 1 and 4. Okay, next insert 7. So before inserting 7, the previous B plus tree contains a node that contains two key elements 1 and 4. Okay. So now 7 can be inserted into the same node or not. So each and every node in the B plus tree of order 4, maximum of 3 key elements. Here this node contains only 2 key elements, so that there is a possibility of inserting another key element. So that 7 is compared with 1. 7 is greater than 1. Next, 7 is compared with 4. 7 is greater than 4. Now 7 can be inserted to the right of 4. Okay. Now after inserting 7, so this is the B plus tree we are getting. Okay. Next one. Next element, insert 10. So before inserting element 10, so the node contains 3 key elements 1, 4, 7. Okay. So now there is a possibility of inserting 10 into the same node? No, because maximum number of key elements per node is equal to 3. Already this node contains 3 key elements 1, 4, 7. But 10 is not possible to insert into the same node. First, we have to find out the location of 10. 10 is greater than, 10 is compared with 1, 10 is greater than 1. Go to the right. 10 is compared with 4, so 10 is greater than 4. Next, go to the next element. 10 is compared with 7, so 10 is greater than 10. So 10 is inserted to the right of 7. But this node, after inserting 10, this node contains 4 key elements. It violates the property 1. So that we have to perform the splitting operation by taking the middle element as the parent element. Okay, here how many number of elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements are there. According to the property 1, so this node violates the B plus tree property because this node contains 4 key elements, so that we have to perform the splitting operation. So the middle element can be taken as the parent. So the middle element is 4 elements are there. Middle element is 4 by 2, that is 2. So now 4 can be taken as the parent. Its left child is 4 left child is 1. And 4 right childs are so 7, 10, and also 4 can be inserted. Okay, so in the case of B plus tree, okay, so the elements, the data or our records are always stored at the leaf nodes. Okay, so 4 is also inserted into the same node. So this is the key element or our pointer or our address. These are points to the elements, data elements at the leaf node. Okay. Next. So after inserting 10, so this is the tree we are getting. Okay. Next, insert 17. Okay. So before inserting 17, so what is the B plus tree existing? So 4 left child is 1 and 4 right child are 4, 7, 10. Okay. So here middle element as 4. So 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. So middle element is 4. 4 can be taken as root. 4 left child is 1. 4 right childs are 7 and 10. In addition to that, this element copy is also stored into that same node. Okay. Next insert 17. Okay. So first we have to find out the location of inserting 17. Okay. So 17 is compared with 4. 17 is greater than 4. So that go to the right pointer. This is the right pointer and this is the left pointer. Right pointer points to a right subtree that contains the node. That node contains 3 key elements 4, 7, 10. Now 17 is compared with 4. So 17 is greater than 4. Go to the right. 17 is compared with 7. So 17 is greater than 7. So go to the next element. 17 is compared with 10. 17 is greater than 10. So now 17 can be inserted. So to the right of 10. Okay. So now, but after inserting 7, this node contains 4 key elements. So 4, 7, 10, 17. So that it is not possible. It violates the property 1. Hence, we are performing the splitting operation. Okay. So whenever the splitting operation is performed, so the middle element, 4 elements are there. The middle element is second element is 7. So 7 can be go to the up and added to the root node. So after that we are getting So 7 can be added to the root node. 7 can be added to the root node. And 4 left child as it is 1. And 4 right child is, and again 4. And 7 left childs are, 7 left child is also 4. 7 right child is 7, 10 and 17. So this is the B plus tree we are getting. Okay, 4 is also there at the leaf node and 7 is also there at the leaf node. Okay, so 1 is less than 4. Yes, so 4 is 4 is less than 7. Okay, so 7 is equal to 7. 10 is greater than 7. 17 is also greater than 7. So after inserting 17, so this is the B plus tree we are getting. So next insert 21. Okay, so before inserting 21, so this is the B plus tree we are getting. Seven, 10, 17. This is the B plus tree before inserting 21. First, to insert 21 into this B plus tree, first we have to find out the location. So 21 is compared with the key elements in the root node. 21 is compared with 4. 21 is greater than 4. Next, 21 is compared with the second key element in the root node, that is 7. 21 is greater than 7. 21 is greater than 7. Go to the right pointer of 7. So it points to a right child. So right subtree, the right subtree contains a child that contains the key elements 7, 10, 17. First 21 is compared with the 7. So it is greater. Next 21 is compared with the 10. It is greater. Next 21 is compared with the 17. It is also greater. So 21 can be inserted to the right of 17, but this node violates the property 1. So that hence we have to perform the splitting operation. So splitting operation can be performed at the middle node. Here there are 4 elements are there. So middle element is 2. So now 10 can be taken as parent and added to the root node. So now it becomes, so 4, 7, 10 can be added to the root node. Okay, so here there is no change. 4 left child is 1 and 4 right child or 7 left child is 4 and 7, 10 left child is also 7. 10 right child are 2 elements 17 and 21. Okay, so this is the B plus tree we are getting after inserting 21. Okay, so now it violates the B plus tree property or not. Okay, so maximum number of key elements per node 3. So this node contains maximum number of key elements. This node contains these all nodes contain single element. This node contains 2 key elements. It satisfies property 1. Minimum number of key elements per node 1. This node contains 1 key element. This node contains 1 key element. This node contains 1 key element. And this node contains 2 key elements. This node contains 3 key elements. Minimum is 1. Maximum is 3. Okay. Next one. Maximum number of pointers or are children per node. This node contains how many number of pointers or children? 1, 2, 3, 4. It satisfies third property also. Minimum number of pointers or children per node is equal to 2. Okay, so except this node, the remaining nodes does not contain any children. So that this B plus tree satisfies all these properties. Okay, next insert 31. Before inserting 31, the existing B plus tree is 4, 7, and it is also 10 is also inserted at this place. Okay, next 4, 7, 10, 1, 4, 7, 10, 17, 21. Okay, so 10 is also located in this node because every element is always stored at the leaf nodes. These are the key elements. The key elements points to the leaf nodes. Okay, next insert 31. Before inserting 31, this is the B plus tree we are getting. So first 31 is compared with the key elements in the root node. 31 is compared with 4, so it is greater. Next 31 is compared with 7, it is greater. Next 31 is compared with 10, it is greater. So that go to the right pointer. So the right pointer points to a right subtree that contains the node that contains the key elements, 3 key elements. Now 31 is compared with 10, it is greater. Next 31 is compared with 17, it is greater. Next 31 is compared with 21, it is greater. So that 31 can be inserted to the right of 21. But according to the property 1, maximum number of key elements per node is equal to 3. But this node contains 4 key elements. So that we have to perform the splitting operation. So the middle element can be taken as parent. The middle element is 17. 4 elements are there. The middle element is 17. This 17 can be added to the root node. So after adding 17 to the root node, again the root node contains 4 key elements. So that again we have to split the root node also. The middle node is 2. 4 elements are there. 4, 7, 10. And this is also 17. Again 4 elements are there. The middle element is 7. Now 7 can be a root node. 7 left child is 4. 7 right child is 10 and 17. So okay. So after performing splitting at this node and performing splitting at this node, now 7 can be taken as a root node. And 7 left child is 4. And 7 right childs are 10, and this is the middle element. Middle element is 17. So now 10 comma 17. Okay. Now 4 left child is 1 and 4 right child is 4. Okay. Next 10 left child is 7 and 10 right child, 10 left child is 7 and 17 right child is 10 right child is also 10 and 17 right child is 17, 21 and 31. So this is the B plus tree we are getting after performing splitting at this node. So 17 left child is 10, 17 left child is 10. So 17 right childs are 21 and 13. 17 can also be added at the leaf node. Now this 17 can be added to root node. Now 4, 7, 10 and also 17. The middle element is So 7. So 7 can be taken as root node. 7 left child, 7 can be taken as root node. 7 left child is 4. 7 right childs are 10 and 17. 10 and 17. Okay. So now 10 left child is 7 and 10 right child is 10, or 17 left child is also 10. 17 right childs are 17, 21 and 31. Okay, so this is the B plus tree we are getting after inserting 31. Okay, next insert 25. Okay, so before inserting 25, the existing B plus tree is 7 left child is 4 and 7 right child is 10 and 17, and 4 left child is 1 and 4 right child is 4 and 10 left child is 7, 10 right child and 17 left child is 10 and 17 right child is 17, 21 and 31. Okay, so now inserting 25. So 25 is compared with the root node. That root node contains the key element 7. 25 is compared with the 7. So 25 is greater than 7. So that go to the right pointer. The right pointer points to a right subtree that contains the node 10 and 17. So 25 is compared with the 10. It is greater. 25 is compared with the 17. It is also greater. So that go to the right pointer. The right pointer points to a right subtree that contains the node. That node contains the key elements 17, 21, 31. So now 25 is compared with the 17. It is greater. Next 25 is compared with the 21. It is greater. Next 25 is compared with the 31. It is a lesser. So that 25 can be inserted at this place. So after inserting 25, 17, 21, 25 and also 31. But this is not a valid node because it violates the property 1. Maximum number of key elements per node is equal to 3. But this node contains 3 key elements. So that we have to perform the splitting operation. The splitting operation can be performed at the middle node. So here the middle node is 21. 4 elements are there. 4 by 2, that is 2. So the middle element is 21. 21 taken as parent and it can be added to the parent node. Okay. So parent node already contains 2 elements 10, 17. Now 21 is also added. So after performing splitting operation at this node, so the root node is 7. Okay, 7 left child is 4. There is no change in the 7 left subtree. Okay, next 7 right child. So here it contains 10 comma 17. 10 comma 17. Now adding 21 because the middle element can be taken as parent by performing the splitting operation at this node. Now 21 can be added at this node. Okay. Now, so 10 left child, there is no change, that is 7. 10 right child, there is no change. Next one. So 21 left child. 21 left child is 17. And 21 right child. 21 right childs are 21 is also added, 21, 25 and 31. Okay, so after inserting 25, this is the B plus tree we are getting. Okay, so next insert 19. Okay. Now inserting 19, before inserting 19, this is the B plus tree we are getting. First, 19 is compared with the root node. So 19 is compared with 7. So 19 is greater than 7. Go to the right pointer. The right pointer points to a right subtree that contains the node that contains the key elements 10, 17, 21. 19 is compared with 10. It is greater. So 19 is compared with 17. It is greater. 19 is compared with 21. It is lesser. So that 19 can be inserted between 17 and 21. So go to this pointer. This pointer points to a subtree that contains the node 17. So now 19 is compared with 17. So 19 is greater than 17. So that 19 can be inserted to the right of 17. Okay. So after inserting 19, this is the B plus tree we are getting. Next, insert 20. So before inserting 20, so the existing B tree is 7, its left child is 4, and its right child contains 3 key elements 10, 17, 21, and 4 left child is 1, and 4 right child is 4. Okay. Next 7, 10 left child is 7, 10 right child is 10, and 17 right child contains a node that contains key elements 17 and 19. Next 21 right child is 21, 25 and 31. Okay. So now before inserting 20, this is the B plus tree we are getting. Now inserting 20, first we have to find out the location of 20. So 20 is compared with the root node. That root node contains the key element 7. 20 is compared with 7. It is greater. Go to the right pointer. The right pointer points to a right subtree. That right subtree contains a node that contains the key elements 10, 17, 21. So first 20 is compared with 10. It is greater. Next 20 is compared with 17. It is greater. Next 20 is compared with 21. It is lesser. Okay, 20 is lesser. So that 20 is inserted in between 17 and 21. So go to the middle pointer. The middle pointer points to a subtree that contains a node that contains the key elements 17 and 19. So 20 is compared with 17. It is greater. 20 is compared with 19. It is greater. Next, so that 20 can be inserted to the right of 19. Okay. So after inserting 20, this is the B plus tree we are getting. Okay. Next, insert 28. Next, insert 28. First, 28 is compared with the root node. 28 is compared with 7. 28 is greater. Go to the right pointer. Right pointer points to a right subtree that contains the node that contains 3 key elements. So 28 is compared with 10. It is greater. 28 is compared with 17. It is greater. 28 is compared with 21. It is greater. Go to the right pointer, points to a subtree that contains a node that contains the key elements 21, 25, 31. Next, 28 is compared with 21. It is greater. 28 is compared with 25. It is greater. 28 is compared with 31. It is lesser. So 28 can be inserted between 25 and 31. Go to the middle pointer. Here 28 can be inserted in this place. But this node violates the property 1. So each and every node in the order of B plus tree contains only maximum of 3 key elements. But here this node contains 4 key elements, so that we have to perform the splitting operation. The splitting operation is performed at the middle element. So here 4 elements are there, the 4 by 2. that is second element is the middle element. So this is 25 is the middle element. Now 25 can be taken as parent and it can be added to the parent node. Okay, so after adding 25 at this place, again this node contains 4 key elements. Okay, so now again we have to perform the splitting operation. So the middle element 25, here 10, 17, 21 and also 25. Okay, so the middle element is 17. Okay, so now 17 can be added to the parent. Okay, now 17 can be added to the parent. 7 comma 17 root node contains. So its left child is 4 and 17 left child is 10. 17 left child is 10. 17 right childs, here 25, here there 21, 25. Here 17 right child is 21, 25. Next 4 left child is 1, 4 right child is 4. Okay, next one 10 left child is 7, 10 right child is 10. Next 17 left child, 17, okay, 21 left child. 21 left child is 17, 19, 20. Next 25 left child. 25 left child is 21. 25 left child is 21. 25 right child is 28, 31. Here also 25 can be added. Okay, so 25, 28, 31. Okay, all the elements at the leaf node are linked to each other. In the previous also up to I, the leaf nodes in the last level are linked to each other in a single linked list fashion. 1 can be linked to 4, 4 can be linked to 7, 7 can be linked to 10, 10 can be linked to these nodes, and these node linked to this node linked to this one, this node. So after inserting 28, this is the B plus 3 we are getting. Next insert 42. First we have to find out the location of 42. 42, before inserting 42, this is the B3 we are getting, B plus 3 we are getting. 42 is compared with the root node for finding out the location of 42 where we are inserting. Greater, 42 is compared with the 17, it is greater. Go to the right pointer, the right pointer points to a right subtree that contains 2 key elements. 42 is compared with 21, it is greater. 42 is compared with 25, it is greater. So go to the right pointer of 25, the right pointer points to a right subtree that contains a node 25, 28, 31. Now 42 is compared with 25, it is greater. 42 is compared with 28, it is greater. 42 is compared with 31, it is greater. So that 42 can be inserted to the right of 31. So after inserting 42, this is the node we are getting. So this node violates the property 1. The maximum number of key elements for a node is equal to 3, but this node contains 4 key elements. So this is a invalid node. To convert this invalid node into valid node, we have to perform the splitting operation. So here splitting operation is performed at the middle node. So here middle node 4 elements are there. Middle element is second element, that is 28. So this 28 can be added to the parent. So now after adding 28 at the parent, we are getting 21, 25 and 28. Next one. So 28 left child is 25. So 28 left child is 25. 28 right child is 31, 42. We are also adding 28. So here 28, 31, 42. So this is the final B plus 3 we are getting after inserting all the elements. So all the nodes at the leaf node last level are linked to each other. These are the leaf nodes. All the leaf nodes are linked to each other. Okay, this can be shown in every figure. Okay, but first figure, second figure up to H, we are not mentioning the links. At the last level, all the leaf nodes are linked to each other. Finally, I am showing. Okay, So this is the B plus tree insertion. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name. So Divvela Srinivasa Rao. So I am inserting level by level so that it can take more time. So please watch carefully. So thank you. So this B plus tree satisfies these 4 properties. Okay. So thank you.